The smell of the food is intense.
It is delicious.
Totally different to any city that we've ever been. Look at this is amazing.
So cute, hey? Whoa. Welcome to Hobart, guys. We're starting our day on the top of Mount Wellington because I feel like there is no better place to see this city for the first time.
It is amazing. We're 1,200 meters high and we've never been to a city that has a view like this.
I read that it was cold, but I severely underestimated how cold.
It is freezing.
But we are allowing ourselves 24 hours in Hobart.
Yep.
Only 24 hours because otherwise we, spend too much money being tourists and stuff. But I made sure we came here on a Saturday so that we could go to the famous Salamanca market.
Salamanca. I've locked the keys in the car.
I asked you.
I've legitimately locked the keys.
Every time I get out of the car, I call out keys and Jack goes, yeah, because he does it all the time. Oh, and you looked at me that time like, yes, Megan, I've got the keys, like frustrated. So you're climbing in.
I'm in trouble. All right, just double checking in the pockets. Far out. Yep, they're in the ignition. Done. We must look like criminals right now. Yeah. Megan, are you right?
Yeah, should I? I unlocked my door. Is that okay?
Oh, okay, I'll go around there.
Alright.
Are you going to go that way or come out here?
I'm going to come out this way.
Oh. Great start to the day.
Okay, now we're going to go to the markets.
Let's go. We actually, we found parking straight away. $12 for the whole day. Got lucky. Hey.
I guess so. Free would have been luckier.
Can you smell that food, Megan?
Oh my gosh, I can smell it already.
The smell of the food is intense.
I really wish I didn't eat breakfast now.
Oh, fresh juice bar.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we're going to spend some money today.
It's very chaotic in there.
It is so busy.
But we found the famous scallop pie. So apparently that place is the original scallop pie place and the best according to some people, so.
You're about to find out. Is it? Is it good?
It's really good. We only have one other to compare it to, unfortunately, but I think that's pretty good.
This is a 10 out of 10.
Yeah?
Yeah. Try this. You're gonna die.
Yeah, I've had these once before in some markets at Perth.
It's gonna blow up in your mouth. That was insane. That's the best markets we've ever been to, eh?
You could literally get anything you wanted from that market, though. Got food, gifts, clothes.
Everything.
Everything.
So,
I can't even. Jewelry.
Bloody deer horns.
We've got this whole bag chock full. I got half a pie. I got.
Oh, you still got a pie?
Yeah, you can have it if you want it. I'm gonna eat these sweets. We got fudge.
Oh yeah. We had to get out of there because we were spending too much money.
And all on food as well.
All on food, and it's all just sugar. So. Oh.
Nice little
What is
fudge
it?
there.
What's
Maybe
that one?
let's save that. Oh, okay, or not.
Oh my gosh.
I think that was a hazelnut one. Anyway, and we got ourselves some new beanies and homemade Tasmanian raspberry jam donut.
Da da da. Far out, guys. If you come to Tassie, you got to go there. But you got to come early.
We made sure we came on a Saturday so we would not miss it, and I think we made the right choice.
We're city slicking. This city is totally different to any city that we've ever been to.
I know, everything has so much history.
Yeah.
And that was one of the main reasons we were so excited to come to Hobart, was to see all the old buildings and houses, and we've already seen so many beautiful houses, but we're on our way now to what I'm pretty sure is Australia's oldest brewery.
And it looks old as.
We're not really into beer, but the building looks cool.
What a stunning photo, eh?
That was pretty good. Trick, find some foreground and then you'll get a better photo.
Everything here is so nice to photograph.
I know.
incredible. Megan's gone wild.
Okay, I couldn't wait any longer to get into the donut. Have a look at that. It's not focusing, but that is homemade raspberry jam.
Is it good?
It is delicious. You can tell it's like fresh fruit too. Do you want some of this?
I've eaten like 40 little round donuts.
Yeah, we've had a lot of sugar today. But we've just gone to the oldest brewery and now we're on our way to the oldest bridge. And I know this one is definitely the oldest bridge in Australia. Have to fact check my brewery fact about it being the oldest in Australia, but yeah. I'm pretty sure it was.
Alright guys, we made it to our bridge, 1823, and it is the oldest bridge in Australia.
Yeah, and it was actually built by the convicts as well.
Crazy. And we've been greeted by these little baby ducks. Look at them. How good.
And you can actually buy duck feed from a little house up there as well, which we probably should have done. I didn't realise how many baby chicks and things there would be. It's so cute. I was thinking as we were driving up, we should have done another one of our little picnics. And then we came across this tiny little house where you can buy the duck feed from. And it turns out it was a heritage listed little house and also a gingerbread house. So
a gingerbread
we found one on sale because he's all broken. So yeah, we bought this one. So now we can have a little picnic.
Sorry, Troopy, but we're leaving you for the night, mate.
We got a little tiny house.
Tiny house.
Tiny house.
Look at this. This is amazing.
So cute, hey?
So we're staying at this tiny house tonight. We're the first people here that have ever stayed in this tiny house.
Yeah, how fresh are those sheets going to be,
buddy? It's going to be so good. And the best bit about it is when the owner greets you and they are the nicest people ever and you can tell they've put so much effort into what they're doing. We're
on a beautiful property overlooking these beautiful hills over here, and yeah, you can just tell that they're just so passionate about where they live, and they loved that we love Tasmania as well. Okay,
give us a little tour, Megan.
A little tour, so
bed. It's just a little bit bigger than...
That looks comfy actually, that looks really comfy. The pillows.
Tiny bit bigger than the Troopy, huh?
Yeah, and we've even got a little dining table.
Dining table.
Kitchen with toaster, which I would usually get really excited about, but we got one in the Troopy now, so still kind of exciting. Microwave is exciting.
Wouldn't mind one of these in the Troopy.
Upstanding fridge is exciting.
Oh yeah.
Running water is exciting, but it is eco-friendly and sustainable, so we'll go easy on the water. And composting toilet is the other eco-friendly addition. So you put your...
And it doesn't smell at all.
No, not at all. Hot shower, hairdryer, running water again.
It's going to be nice having a night away from the Troopy, hey? Look
at you hobbling along. Jack's foot is still really sore, and we have 2 days until we're going to do our longest hike.
We're going to the Tasman National Park, guys, and my foot is killing.
Okay, we've been very touristy the last few days, so got to go back to some backpacker meals with some nudes tonight.
Some nudes?
2-minute noodles.
This bed is so comfortable. Oh my god.
I haven't even sat on it yet, and I just claimed it.
I've sunken into it. I can't get up.
Oh yeah, and one other thing, I was like, oh, I'm gonna do the noodles on the cooktop and put some egg in it or whatever. And Jack's like, oh, that's gonna take so long. And I'm like, Jack, they're 2-minute noodles. You can't wait 2 minutes.
It's gonna take longer than 2 minutes, Megan.
Okay, but it's not gonna take so long, is it?
Probably not, no. But it's not gonna, I'm still right. It's not gonna take 2 minutes, I'm right.
Okay, if you say so.
I'm like an old grumpy man laying on the bed here, dictating what happens.
Yeah, make your own noodles. Okay, you can stop the clock. It was 4 minutes, I'm pretty sure.
Megan, it took 3 minutes, 59 seconds and 0.71.
There you go, not even 4 minutes.
You said it. You said it was going to take 2 minutes. Did you cook mine?
Of course.
Thank you.
Here you go, my love.
delicious.
Usually it's you bringing me food.
Whoa, there's water
Oh
in
yeah,
there.
be very careful.
Oh, the bowl's really hot.
Sorry. I thought to myself as I was walking over, I better warn him about the soup.
Classic. What do you want to watch, Megan?
Oh my god, I can't get in. Anytime Jack sees a pork bun, he has to go.
Look at that. Yum. Made from their farm as well. Oh, it's delicious, Megan.
I haven't got to the jam yet. Oh yeah. Oh!
Yum.
You sure you don't want any?